people people.
You're talkie.
Oh!
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn this off, guys. This is past disrespect from Gabby. You hear that? She said I'm talkie. I talk too much. Are you sure?
Why, you want a high five? I gave him a high five.
Are you guys really high-fiving on me? I'm a talkie? Wow.
Yes,
Not
yes,
really, Mommy.
yes,
Not really.
Yes, really.
Not really.
I'm embarrassed, but it's okay.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Guys, if you see anyone, she's one of my subscribers, and if you see any of my subscribers, I'm gonna talk to you guys.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
I don't care what they think.
Really.
I'm sorry, Mommy. Mommy, I'm sorry.
All right, it's okay. I'm putting in my lemon on my fish.
Why do you put
Okay.
lemon on fish?
That's what makes it taste better, girl.
Can I put lemon on my chicken?
No, you probably could try. I don't know.
Daddy, I'm gonna lemon. Put on my chicken.
She said to follow her. Want to try it? Follow. Because it's daddy do it. Guys, the fun thing about it is because daddy did it, you see it's gonna be okay. Don't worry. It'll be okay for her. Watch. It's good?
That's nice.
All right, guys, I'm gonna eat.
Wash your hand. You're on the ground a while ago.
Daddy, you used to know funny.
Ooh. So we're at Marina Village. Hey guys, good morning. It is 5 o'clock and we're about to take our boat to the Bahamas, and we have Gab, so we're getting ready to exit on our boat, and we're gonna take you with us. I'm about to brush my teeth, she's washing her face, and we are using the acid-free wash Neutrogena, and yeah, so I'm about to get ready to go. So we're about to hit the cruise. Headed over there. Alright.
I got it.
Alright. Let's go. Vacation. Don't leave your daddy phone nowhere. Alright. Here we go.
Wait, what's my iPad?
iPad is in my bag. Oh, she checking now, guys. Gabby started checking on the stuff them to make sure. So we're heading to the cruise, the boat. And so I'll see you guys when we get there. It's real close because it's like $9 on the Uber, so you know it's real close. But it's a very easy and effective trip to go to the Bahamas without paying that crazy amount of money, okay? So yeah, okay, no problem. Go guys.
Maryland, put that down here, Gabby.
Yeah, Gabby can handle the eat. Alright, elevator, Gabby. So we stayed at the B Ocean. Down.
Yeah.
We're not the only one coming on. This time, this is the troublemaker. The troublemaker, Mr. Martin. Be a trouble here, you know. Be a trouble, guys. But let's go.
Which one?
We're going to lobby. Lobby.
This one?
Yes, it says lobby, girl. It's kind of dark in here.
We're going to look for Grandpa now. You're going in Jamaica, okay?
We're not going to drink.
You gonna look for grandma?
No.
You in Jamaica, okay?
Oh, God.
I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Wi-Fi. Turn it on. Out there, but you see I'm moving. It's kind of still a little bit windy right here. But it's beautiful. Yes, guys, we are here in Bimini. It's beautiful. 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 It is beautiful out here, guys. It's real beautiful. Yes, we are here. Yes. What? We are chilly. Ooh. We are chilly, baby. Ooh. It's kind of dark in here. Woohoo. Nice. So here we are at the hotel. As soon as we reach, Gabby talking about the AC is giving her trouble. She said it's too cold. And here is the blinds. Well, we're at the...
Open it.
Wait. Wait, Gabby. Help me pull. Move. No, it's not closed. It's not closed. Wait. Boy, went so far. Wait.
What is saying go open?
I don't know if I open it. Okay. Alright, we are off. This is our view, guys. I wanted the pool, but we get the ship. We get the ship view. And this is all good. Gabs? How are you? Everybody was seasick except for you. Luckily you had that patch. And I had that patch. Thank God for me having vertigo, because I did not have vertigo. I don't know. It was bad, guys. It was a very rough ride. We're gonna change, get some charge, get some food, go on the road, because we're gonna swim today, right? You wanna swim? Okay. So let's go. Let's go, baby. I was swimming.
Pretty good.
It's why we can't come one time. It's deep. Gabby. Daddy said it's why we can't. Gabby. How many the water is so cold, man?
Whoa.
Why the water is so cold? Woo! What did Gabby? Gabby a swim. Woo! No, I'm not come. When the water's so blue. Oh! Woo! This is nice.
No, you gotta go there.
No, stay. You stay, Gabby. Cool. I want you too cool.
Come on, mommy.
No, stay. We going to pool. It's cool.
Go.
Water cool.
If you don't dive in, it's gonna be colder.
Alright, hold it. Have you done it?
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on, mommy. Let's go. Nope, you're going with us.
No, carry this. I can't carry this. No business. Swim to daddy. Our father, I trust him. Me not trust you. Float like daddy say, float. Float on your back. Gabby, float on your back. Float on your back, Gabby. Float on your back, my daddy say. Float. Turn over, float. Turn over. Turn over. Float for daddy. Float for daddy. Float for daddy now. Guys, that's a deep though. Gabby, she can't float by herself, you know. I'm tell you, it's nice, water nice, can't lie. But it's too deep. No, go to that deep. Okay, eh.
Come here, water, come here, water.
Guys, the way the water is deep, guys, we're not going in there, brother. As much as I learn how to swim, the other day I've been still not doing it, brother. We're not chance it. Right, the brother what's up with here? Oh dear! The brother what's up with here! Alright.
Gabby,
Come up here, sir. Put on something for my face now. Sure. Here. Gabby, it's a record.
Come on, mommy.
Sorry, Gabby. Stop him.
Gabby, stay up here, sir. I don't want the water to dry you back here.
Okay.
Go up,
Go
go
up.
up further.
You're right.
All done.
Wait, man, wait. Your time should come up. Come on, me a chance.
1 minute.
Alright, wanna come?
Look, I'm trying to. You want to go back? That's when you're gonna run. Not now. Too much water. So you want to go back now, then we're gonna run. Look. Ready? Let's go.
So my husband just found a shop on the phone. It's called J&J. It's open until 6 on Sunday. Because he forgot to bring his toothbrush. So we stopped here. And then we wanted some ice cream because you know so we're island girl. Because she put the bucket right there. So yeah, we a big man, you know? Because we're island people. We asked them where the ice the guy just come tell me where the ice cream truck that's about the inlet. And there's a pink van so we'll get the ice cream from. And my husband going there to go buy, you know, and him not give me none, you know, him not offer me none, him buy Ting and Malta. Because them have a whole heap of Jamaican stuff over here. Big up on yourself, Bahamas. Because we don't miss Jamaica. Because them have everything on the island. Everything over here. So it's so nice. I'm so excited about that. But the people over here, they're very friendly. And, you know, they help us and show us where we're going. Right, Gaps? Right, they show us everywhere. Yeah. You feel better now? You were very sleepy at first. Say hi to my people. Yeah, she was very sleepy, but she feels better now. So it's going so good. It's going good so far. We're gonna go get some. Is that alcohol?
What?
I say soda. You couldn't be holding it so prestigious. Yeah. Yeah, we don't like that enough because I always talk to people. I mean, you're always talking to people. I mean that, yeah, man. Yo. Big up on yourself on the island, man. Here right now. Only carry the buckle in this one. We don't sell buckle, we don't buy buckle. And in Jamaica with our New York. I bring back the buckle out here from Gimme for. So. Oh boy, I'm tired. I'm gonna go down and see water. I'm gonna say I get scared of guys. Very scared. We have floss at the house, you know. Something sticking in your teeth? Yeah. So we'll go home and get the floss to get it out. Alright? Alright, but so them friendly, you right now? Gonna show you now. I'm gonna show you for the ice cream sale. Look at that. So nice. Typical island children, them, yeah? You can go ask them anything, them know every single thing what happened. I tell you, so them shocks are gonna mash up my vertigo. You have to take Dramamine, guys. Especially when you come over. Yeah, when you travel upon them cards here. Yeah. So I figure it out now, you understand? Thank you so much, my people.
Thank you.
Oh, the orange, there's something there. Thank you, baby. That's so nice. Oh, yeah, it's gotta be real ice cream. Yeah, man, the truck up, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
hello.
Hi, what's going on? What type of ice cream you have here? You have rum and raisin?
No more rum and raisin, no more money.
No more what?
No more rum and raisin, and no more bottle.
So one what you have?
We have Death by Chocolate. That's chocolate.
No chocolate.
Okay, we have strawberry cheesecake, pearlies and cream. That's like caramel and vanilla.
You got strawberry, that's straight strawberry.
We have strawberry, we have pistachio, we have vanilla, cookies and cream, Superman, bubblegum, and we have also sour salt.
Vanilla, I take vanilla. A vanilla cone?
Okay,
And
$10, the small waffle cone for egg, and like the small cake cone, like the regular cone is $5, not $6 top.
I need a $5 one.
$5.
when Race is coming? Tomorrow?
What's your name? Bree? Where can they find you if they come on the island, Bree? Where can they find you if they come on the island? Oh, you're not from here? So how you reach here for work here, Bree? I don't understand. How you reach back of your yard? I barely know the island. I still learning the island. Oh, you reach back of your yard. That me I ask you. When they done work, how you go home? Well, I get picked up or I get Uber service. Oh, Uber service, that means you live on the island. But I live like on the north side.
Or the other side?
Yeah, it's like south and north.
This island is way too small for talk about north and south side. You're supposed to know everywhere. Listen, at Jamaica I come from. I know people from north, south, east and west.
I very...
What you say? You need to come on the side there more, yeah? Alright? Come on the side there more. When you find a boyfriend on the side, you're going to know it.
I used to the school, baby. What I remember? Good afternoon.
That you want the vanilla?
Yeah. 2 vanilla. Alright, we'll get the cone right here, so guys. Trouble me a trouble, I know.
I was trying to bring out the
She don't know the island, and the island is so small, they can walk it out. And she only know people from Fiera side, she don't know nobody from that side here. Why, man? O'Neil, I tell you, see, man. Boy, they must up me a. They must up me a exercise, brother. Alright. What's your name?
Okay.
Bree? Yeah, my daughter named Bree. Gabby? Ice cream! That is it.
Strawberry and sauce.
He wants a strawberry and soursop. Makes it. Yeah?
No, $6.
He said a cup. Uh huh.
$6.
And I want a vanilla cone. Gab. You're the island similar to Jamaica. Yeah, Gabby? I have some question. So what is the crime rate like on this island? Like no crime. Yeah, but because you guys are surrounded by water, right?
No, but the island is so small.
Okay.
The island is very, very small, so everybody has like family. Basically, everybody is like family, but it's just like different family islands.
Yeah.
But
Nice. So what about if there is a hurricane? Do you guys evacuate?
well, some people don't because that's where they're from.
Yeah.
But I'm from Nassau, which is the main island.
Oh, so you go to the big one. Okay.
So I'll probably go there or Freeport, but Freeport is closer to the States also, so they mostly get
Hit.
bad from the hurricane.
Yeah, because I've been to Freeport before. But
But
there,
mainly go Nassau
I-
because hurricane barely goes Nassau.
yeah, I never been to Nassau, but I've been to Freeport
That's the main.
with on a cruise.
But Nassau is like the main of everything.
Yeah, but Freeport water is very good,
That's all Bahamas, though.
but it's cold.
So when you go Nassau, you see the water.
It's good too. Really, my cousin live in Nassau, you know.
Every island in the Bahamas has pretty water.
Oh, really?
Yeah, everywhere in the Bahamas.
How many islands do you have in the Bahamas?
700 islands and keys.
700 islands
And keys.
and keys. Oh, people live on all of them. So what are?
Like the keys is where they have like jobs, like construction.
Yeah.
Most go there also.
So how I learn about Bimini is my husband. He always tell me he wants to go to Bimini, and so I looked it up and I was like, how do you get to Bimini? Because I didn't even know this island exists.
Yeah, because you can't see it on the map. It's
On the
very,
map,
very,
yeah.
very, very small.
You're not gonna see the map.
You use a magnifying glass and you still won't see it.
The
It's
top side,
very
the top
small.
side Bahamas. That's not the
Yeah, because he told me about it when he just moved to the States, and he said he wanted to go to Bimini, and I was like, I don't know no island called Bimini. So do we need do you guys need a visa to go to America, as my husband just asked?
But if you're coming from Nassau, you
Uh-huh.
just need a police record.
A police record from
Police
Nassau.
record and your passport. But if you're coming from like the islands and you want to go to the States,
you need a visa because you either probably traveling on a boat or seaplane.
So let me ask you. Once you're born in Bahamas, can you use the record? Suppose you go to Nassau. You have to have a Nassau address in order to do that?
If I from Nassau?
No, if somebody was born on Bimini, but everybody born on Bimini because you can't have baby.
You don't. Only people who are born on Bimini is like older people like who in their 90s and 80s.
Okay.
But basically, all the people like in my generation and like y'all own,
They're born on the island.
They probably born like Nassau or Freeport.
Oh, so they can go.
Probably went off the states and up touring. So basically, mostly everybody from here have like U.S. citizenship.
Wow.
So they have two passports, a Bahamian and an American passport.
On this island?
I mean, everywhere in the Bahamas too, but mainly this island here, mainly Bimini, because the states is right there to them.
Yeah.
The states is probably like an hour.
I don't know why the state didn't claim this island, because
Call it Bimini, Florida.
yeah, I would call it Bimini, Florida, because it's right next door.
Yeah, because there's another boat, private owned boat, come across.
Yeah, they have like Valerians come here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So once you're born here, you're American citizen basically.
No, you have to go in the states and
Get it?
and that's the only way they'll have like American citizenship if they're born over there.
Yeah.
Easy.
But if you're born in the states, but your parents is a Bahamian, you automatically have a Bahamian passport because your parents is Bahamian also.
Oh.
You basically take the nationality of your mother.
But just like Jamaica, if you're born in America,
Mhm.
you can get Jamaica passport like that.
Wow, that is good to hear. But I would love to travel to some more of the keys that they have.
You can go Eleuthera, things like.
Oh, I heard about the plane. So a couple just told me that they came from on the plane, and it's 25 minutes.
From Bimini
Wait.
to Nassau, probably like 25. Sometimes it'd be like 30. Sometimes it'd be like 30 minutes, 25 minutes.
On
sometimes
a plane?
On a plane.
Where's the airport?
The airport's like on the north side from Bimini. It's on the south side. This is the north. You guys are on the north. And the south, you have to take like a ferry over to the south. And that's probably like only couple seconds, or probably a minute. Because it's legit. You can stand by the ferry dock and see the south side.
Wow.
And then like in the night.
So Bimini have another piece of island.
Yeah, it's just basically north and south.
North and south.
Wow.
South Bimini, north Bimini.
Wow.
The south is like where mostly all the rich people be.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's where because the north is where all the clubs and the bars, that's where all the noise is. The south don't have no noise. It's just
Yeah, just the hotel and I heard
so
about
you get
that.
the hotel and the airport.
Hotel, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Take care.
Take
It was
care.
nice talking to you. Hope to see you again. Okay. Thank you. We learned so much today, guys. And these island people, they're real nice, and you keep learning about, different places. So guys, the world is big. Go explore and learn different places. You can go back the way, baby. Learn different places and different things, but they're very friendly. And they help us to find, places so easy. But I say this is it. We're coming there tomorrow for breakfast, or we're gonna go to the Jamaican restaurant. So it's a island, so you know how an island look. It's not like those classy resort, but because they're so engulfed with the sea, so the houses, you can see that, hey, the ocean, when you have houses, rust and stuff on it, but it's island living. So yeah, that's amazing. We're at this beach out here because my husband is trying to rent a jet ski for us to go on. I've never been on a jet ski, guy. Yes, baby, you can come. I've never been on a jet ski before, but I'm going with my husband, so I trust him. Look at those people out there, guys. They're actually doing kayaking out there. I've done that before. Hi. Hello. But I've never done jet ski. Look at this, guys. It is beautiful. It is so beautiful. So this is our day. This is what, day 3 for us. And so I guess I'm gonna be wrapping up all the videos together. But yeah, he wants to go. jet skiing. So this is what I'm wearing today. Yeah, this is my fit. And yeah, so let's see. I would love to try something new. We only live once, right? Yeah. Oh! Hey guys, so now we're in the swimming pool. And we're gonna swim. No, he's not coming in. He doesn't like pool. Just like how we don't like. So we don't like, Gabby, we don't like the beach. And he don't like the pool. Come here. Gab. Look here.
Sorry, Mommy.
I'm gonna swim to you.
Yes.
Water good about I, Gabby. Come here, hold this. Salt water, Gabby. Gabby, hold on. Salt water, hold on. Hold it. Talk to them. Water good on my eye. Yeah.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
No. It's salt water. It's salt water.
How do you taste so salt? It tastes salt. It tastes salty.
It tastes very salty.
It tastes salty.
Yeah. Why don't you just use water?
They probably use salt to cure it.
Why that makes sense?
Alright. Gabby, swim to mommy. Good job. Good job, mama. Hey, look. Good job. Gabby, we're swimming together. You want to float? Hold this. Let mommy float first. I'll show you. Show me. Turn to me.
Try and swim!
Good job, right?
Yeah.
Swim this again.
Yeah.
I'm coming to you. Look.
Wait, I'm gonna come to you.
You gotta turn. Give me the camera. Now come with the camera. Wait. Good job. Good job, mama. Yay! You said we can't swim though? We can swim. We just can't swim in that water. Oh, Gabby. Yeah, eat that. I'm gonna put this down. Hey guys, we're gonna chuck off. One, Gabby. 1, 2, 3. Whew. Guys, that was fun.
Let's have a race.
Race to where?
Race over there, over here.
Alright? Ready? Gabby and me want to race. Alright. We're gonna have to push off the wall though. Ready? Take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3. You beat me.
I did.
You beat me. You beat me. Gabby, you with me?
Okay.
You can swim.
3. Or get on the line. It's cheating. Get on the line. Get on the line.
You want to do it again? You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Wait,
Oh,
I'm
my
going to
hand
take him
is
break.
Okay, hold on with the 10.
Gabby, let me tell you when you're swimming, you have to do. Move your hand. Right there, bitch. Stop, move. Do them vice versa. Yeah, you're not using this hand. Yeah. Do it. Yeah, you're pulling back the water like this. Pull it back. Pull it back, let me see. Pull it back. You have to use them. Yeah. I'm just using one hand because I'm swimming with the camera. Go. Taking breath? Yeah. 1, 2. I was looking for you, that's why.
Why?
You got me scared because you like touched me, yeah. So that's why I got scared. I had to make sure I look.
I was trying to push you over so I could win.
Guys,
And you accidentally
I
touched
got scared because she touched me. And I didn't know if she went down or what happened. But I'm happy that she's okay. I'm happy that she's okay. Well, I'll put on the phone. I'll put this down and go swim. Then I can have a lot of fun. Have a lot of fun. Stand up. All right, race to daddy. 1, 2. Let me stop looking for you. We found it on the sea.
And I saw people collecting these so they can remember these.
Yeah, it's illegal to collect them though.
How's it illegal?
Yeah, you get charged in the airport because it's the sea.
Huh?
The wildlife. All right, let's go over there.
It's so nice. I want to collect these. Can we bring it home with us? Can we bring it home with us?
No, we can't bring it home, unfortunately. Guys, this is not steady. The head of this is not steady. On the bottom, the next bottom one that I have. This is for water.
People used to collect these
Come.
for
Come look at the shelf. Come. Look where you're going. Look before you step over. Okay. Daddy's buying food for us.
There's the card. And I want the chicken, no reds.
Oh, okay, Miss Lady. You're giving your daddy a whole order request. All right, so yeah, these are conch. A lot of conch shells.
I don't know if people still have
Hmm?
them.
Let me see. Turn around.
It's big. You get to hear everything about the ocean.
Yeah.
You gotta leave
it's
the
a big
sand in
one.
it.
A lot of conch. That's the first time Gabby is seeing that.
Take some pictures so I can show my classmates.
Oh, you want a picture with it?
Yeah, so I can show my classmates.
Okay. All right. Stand in front of it, Gabs.
Okay, I'm just gonna go.
Come stand right down here. All right, stay where everyone is stand. Turn around. Take up 2. I'm gonna show our classmate that she found conch shell.
This is my classmates.
Want to show 2 of them?
Yeah. Guys, this is our shells my mom found in Jamaica.
All right, let me see. Come, turn around. Let me see.
This is the shell you got to hear. What you know?
This is Bahamas, Gabby, not Jamaica.
I mean, my mom used to collect these when she was in Jamaica.
Yeah, because I live in front of the beach, so I always see these stuff.
And clearly I used to want to touch these and bring it home, but
She's excited.
It's kind of loud.
All right, it's illegal. All right, come on. Gabby has something else in her, guys. I tell you no, Gabby. I said she gets smart, you see. I tell our father, say I'm paying for dinner tonight. She said, oh no, you're not supposed to pay. You're the lady. Daddy, take care of that. That's his job. When us on vacation, that's a date. I was like, girl. She's like, Here's the pork. What are you buying? Pork or chicken? Gab. Oh. All right, so he's making on the grill. Here you can find him once you come on the island. They're right in front of the water, so yeah, across from Sandra Place. You definitely could find him here in the Bahamas, so come and check him out. I'll let you know how it tastes once we get it. I'm gonna put you on my YouTube channel, okay? Hear me, guys? I'm putting you on my YouTube channel.
That's all right.
Okay. No problem.
Wish you have this.
Yeah. So when you're driving along the roadway and you see Sandra's place, he's right across the street from that. And has a beautiful view. So if you could sit out here and eat, this reminds me so much of home. I'm telling you. Look at this. This is such a core memory. My baby is here playing. I need a picture of this. It reminds me of me. So happy she's able to experience this. So happy. All right, guys. So we're on here at J&J. This is a corner store in Bimini. They have a lot of Jamaican stuff. And so if you come and you just want to do an Airbnb and you just want to travel around, we're at the hotel, but you know, the Jamaican snacks. Hi, how are you? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Nasa. Fun. No.
I did not know that.
Pick them up. Okay, Mr. Jerk season right there. So come.
Gabby.
Them have a Magnum, baby. I want a Magnum. Give me a Magnum. Hold on. Gotta give you Magnum and a ginger beer. The ginger beer tastes like the Jamaican ginger beer. Oh, the ginger beer tastes like the Jamaican one. Oh, where's the glasses, Gabs? Oh, I'm gonna have to look for it in my bag. Let me look for it. Hold on. I'm not even, I'm a stand for my. So we get a ginger beer, a Magnum.
Come on, Gabby, come on. See if I can see you, man.
And Oreo. I drink the Magnum with my something.
Come
Yeah,
on,
ever
come
see
on.
again, man? Oh God. Oh God. Yeah. And
Hey, come around.
Gabby, I look and I browse out the place and I see what I want. Alright, that's so. Alright, J&J's. Alright, is that Gabby?
Thank you, man.
Thanks.
Come on, come.
Sorry.
Thank you. Sorry. Alright, we'll go back now in our cart because it'll be a fine try to find something to eat. Yep.